Alright, there we go. Good luck. Last 2 boxes of 2016 in the game used. Michael, good luck, Senor Buena Suerte. Here we go. More Asian on Asian crime. If you meet Fisker Ravery, punch him in the face for me, okay? Yeah, they are. It was pretty good first 4 boxes. Ooh, very nice. 15 of 30. Bobby Bond, Jacques Plant, Boris Salming, and Dave Keon. What the hell is Jacques Plant doing on that card? If I pay you, not fun. We got Sergei Fedorov and Alexander Ovechkin. 2 Russians right there. 2 mad Russians. Super Swatch. 30 of 45. Ilya Kovalchuk. Oh, is that a 1-on-1? 2 of 2. PK Subban. That's pretty dope. Laundry tag. 2 of 2. And we got a red. Ooh. Ty Domi. 3 of 3. That's Max Domi dad. Max Domi daddy. Oh, look at that. Look at the centering on that card on the back. Look at the centering. Damn, what a nice little box. Jeez. I wish the case I had opened was as good as that 1 box. Alright, box number 2. 11 of 20, Lanny McDonald. Get me going like a cyclone. 17 of 25. Glenn Hall. Chicago Stadium. One of 2. John Tavares. Super Swatch. Bernie Parrott, 1 of 1. Pad, jersey, pad. Pad, jersey, pad. 1 of 1, Bernie Parrott. And the last one is vintage memorabilia. 2 of 4. Newsy Lalonde and Aurel Joliot. Newsy Lalonde and Aurel Joliot. Very nice. Old school stuff right there. 2 of 4. Good stuff. Paid for itself. Yep. Thank you, Michael.